In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color of an email in Outlook. If you want your emails to stand out, add a bit of branding, or just make a message more visually engaging, changing the background color is a quick and effective way to do it. These steps apply to classic Outlook on the desktop, and they affect the body of the email you're composing. Start by opening Classic Outlook. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the familiar ribbon across the top with tabs like Home, Send, Receive, and View. Once Outlook is open, create a new message by selecting New Email. This opens a Compose window, and that's where all the formatting options become available. Next, look at the top of the New Message window and click the Options tab in the ribbon. The Options tab contains tools for message formatting and appearance, and it's where Outlook keeps the theme and page color controls. In the Options tab, find the Themes group. Within that group, click Page Color. Depending on your version, it may appear as colors, but it serves the same purpose. Clicking it opens a palette with theme colors and standard colors, as well as additional choices. Now pick the background you want. Choosing a color from the palette applies it immediately to the body of your email. For most messages, softer shades tend to work best for readability, especially when paired with dark text. If you want complete control, select more colors to open the color picker and fine-tune the exact hue you need. If you're aiming for something more decorative, choose Fill Effects to explore gradients and textures. Gradients can add depth without being overpowering, while textures and patterns can create a more stylized look. Keep in mind that highly saturated backgrounds or busy textures can make text harder to read, so opt for subtle choices when clarity matters. Also note that some email clients may display gradients or textures differently, so it's wise to keep things simple if consistency across devices is important. If you change your mind or want to go back to a plain message, choose No Color to remove the background entirely and return to the default look. Everything you do here applies only to the current email you're composing, so it won't change the appearance of other messages or your overall Outlook theme. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.